Medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and nutraceuticals must meet the highest standards of clean production and packaging. Paxton's air systems can be configured to meet GMP standards for these sensitive applications by including stainless steel air knives and air manifolds, a blower washdown enclosure, HEPA outlet filtration for the blower, and more. For nutraceutical companies needing to remove unwanted powder or residue from plastic containers prior to labeling, Paxton's ionizing blow-off system is the ideal solution to avoid label wrinkling, label peeling, and product recalls. With Paxton's ionizing air knives, the ionized air neutralizes the static force that caused contaminants to adhere to containers, which allows the air knife to effectively blow the powder or contaminants off of the containers and avoid any issues down the line. Paxton's ionizing blow-off systems improve surface finish by removing excess dirt, dust, and particulates, and also eliminates the potential for water and oil contamination caused by compressed air, ensuring that the products meet the highest of standards for clean production and packaging. When packaging pharmaceutical products, it is important that they are completely dried after washdown in order to avoid product quality issues like rusting or leaking both before and after the packaging process. Paxton's high-efficiency air knife drying systems feature a continuous, uninterrupted air slot design that delivers complete and uniform high-velocity air coverage over targeted areas to ensure effective and consistent drying, helping you to avoid costly product rejects. Medical devices require reliable and effective drying to ensure that the products are of the highest quality and meet all packaging and production standards. Powered by our industry-leading centrifugal air blowers, Paxton's patented power-dry drying system can be configured with a spatter manifold to flex under and around medical devices to target hard-to-reach areas that need extra drying attention. Having a reliable, high-efficiency drying and blow-off system can give you the confidence that your pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and medical products are meeting the highest standards of clean production and packaging, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. Paxton's team of application engineers will work closely with you to custom design the perfect drying and blow-off solution that is specific to your unique container, conveyor, and process. For more information on how Paxton's air systems can help your manufacturing operations, visit paxtonproducts.com.